Transform your home with stunning space makeovers. Hey, design enthusiasts, ready to turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones? Today, we're sharing jaw-dropping transformations that will leave you inspired to reimagine your own home. Step into a world of creativity where each corner tells a story of style and function. Before we dive in, a huge thank you to our amazing subscribers. Your love and support fuel our passion to create and share inspiring design ideas. You are the heart of this channel, and we're so grateful to have this ever-growing community of design lovers. If you're new here, you're in for a treat. We're all about making design accessible, fun, and transformative. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more makeover magic. Like your favorites and share them with fellow design fans who live for beautiful spaces. Now, let's bring your dream transformations to life. From cozy living rooms to functional home offices, we've got ideas for every style and budget. Stick around for tips, tricks, and visuals that will redefine how you see your own space. Transforming spaces is more than a look. It's a lifestyle. Be a part of the journey. Hit subscribe for endless inspiration. Liking to show some love. And share to spread the vibe. Let's grow this design-loving family and make the world a more beautiful place, one space at a time.